Okay, I hope you guys are ready to make something delicious. Today we're going to be making kettle corn. This is the perfect treat to treat your kids and yourself on just about any day. So what you're going to need is some popcorn. Or some corn actually, half a cup. You're going to need some oil, quarter cup, and you're going to need some sugar, quarter cup, and you're going to need some cinnamon to sprinkle on at the end, and just a bit of salt to sprinkle on there at the end. I have this here puppy dog. This thing is perfect. This is my back to basics stovetop hopper. This is really nice because it lets you put all your ingredients in there and then spin around. And that's all you need. Oh, you might as well get yourself a pan too where you could pour your popcorn out when you're done and throw your cinnamon on top and whatever else you want to put on it. All right, let's get started. Okay, there goes the first ingredient. There's a quarter cup of kernels. Now we're going to do that one more time. Okay, there we go. The second quarter cup. Just pour it in there. The other secret ingredient, quarter cup of delicious sugar. Guaranteed to make all kids squeal with delight. That was almost a quarter. Let me add a little more. Okay, so that's quarter cup. Now let's get the oil. Okay, there we go. Quarter cup of oil. Just pour that in there. Just like that. It's actually really easy to make this, and it is so good when it's made from home. Okay, the other thing you want to definitely do before you start popping this popcorn, have your pan ready, okay? Have your pan off to the side and ready for you to pour, because as soon as this popcorn is done, you're just going to take it right out and chuck it into a pan. I've got myself a pretty big pan here so that it'll fit. Okay, let's continue. Okay, one more secret, and you got to do this. If you have a fan, turn it off. The reason you're going to turn this off is because you want these delicious aromas to go everywhere. You want your kids to go buck wild when they smell this. This guaranteed to make the kids go buck wild, and you want them nice and excited, okay? So, turn that fan off. Oh yeah, turn it off. Okay, let's close this lid up and let's get started. All right, we got that going. We're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put my other ingredients I'm gonna put on at the end off to the side. Go ahead, throw on the pan. Throw on the flame. You don't want it super high, just put it on medium heat. You're gonna put it on there and keep stirring nice and slow until you hear the popcorn starting to pop. As soon as it starts to pop, you want to reduce the flame just gently. So let's go ahead and turn this on. Okay, there's my flame. It's on there. Now I think, oh, let me see, I can. Okay, it's on there. Now I'm just going to go ahead and try to stir this with one hand. If I can do this with one hand, I will. If I can't, then sorry guys. You guys are going to have to miss this part. But I can open this right now. See, it's just mixing up in there real pretty like. Okay, let's close it down. Close this up. In fact, I want to put this on a little bit higher at first to get that nice and hot right away. And oh yeah. So, you know, it's been on there for maybe 30 seconds. Not that long. You can start to hear the flames. I'm going to be quiet now so you guys can just watch. Gotta keep stirring it. You don't want this stuff to burn, so keep mixing, nice and slow. Oh, first one. Here it goes. Here it goes. Oh, I need my other hand. I can't get the popcorn out of my hand. Okay, so the popcorn's out. Sprinkle some cinnamon on there. This is very important. Sprinkle a little bit of salt. Yeah. And while it's fresh out, you want to mix it up. If you want to make it into like a soccer ball right now is the time. So while it's in there, mix it up a little bit. Just like that. Oh yeah. I had to lock up the kids because otherwise they would come to eat this by now. Hey! Oh, well, that's okay. We can share with the wife.
No thanks,
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Ah, it's hot. By the way, don't touch it when it first comes out. It is hot. Okay, so the kettle corn is now done. Now you just enjoy, put it into a little bowl, and go tease the kids with it. Don't give them any, just let them have a sniff and run away. Oh yeah. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. All the products, I will put links in the description down below, so eat up and enjoy. Laters.